The Gulf Coast Community Foundation has narrowed the field to 5 finalists in the Gulf Coast Innovation Challenge. SNN's Allison Henning has that story.
The Foundation has narrowed down 44 total entries to 5 finalists in the Gulf Coast Innovation Challenge. Senior Vice President with Gulf Coast Community Foundation, Mark Pritchett, says this challenge is a first for their philanthropy.
We think it's a real exciting way to deploy our charitable dollars to build our regional economy, to create jobs and create new businesses, and especially around our strength, our coastline that we have here.
Mote Marine Lab and its senior scientists are collaborators in 4 of the 5 finalist selections in the Innovation Challenge. Senior scientist at Mote Marine Laboratory, Carl Lurer, is a part of 2 of the projects selected as finalists. One of the projects involves studying sharks to ultimately develop new therapies to treat cancer patients.
We're trying to study what role the immune system has in keeping these animals healthy. They don't seem to get sick and they have a very low incidence of cancer. So we're trying to understand what that's all about.
Dr. Lurer says compounds that the sharks secrete target cancer cells over normal cells. Another project Mote is involved with in partnership with Omeza looks to develop and commercialize antibiotics from the sea. Executive Chairman with Omeza, Thomas Gardner, stresses its importance.
So many of the currently available antibiotics have become resistant to the bacteria the bacteria have become resistant to the drugs.
Each finalist will prototype their idea and build a business plan on how it will transform our region around the blue economy. Reporting in Sarasota, Allison Henning, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.
How about that? Gulf Coast Innovation Challenge finalists will present their prototypes starting November 2nd.